On December 8, 2025, Deputy Lonnie Baker of the Calhoun County Sheriff's Office in Florida encountered 3 men beside a disabled vehicle. The car had stopped partly in the roadway, its hood was open, and there was no license plate visible. The men told the deputy that the vehicle had broken down and that they were waiting for a tow truck. The entire encounter was recorded by Deputy Baker's body-worn camera.
Wrong. You just replace the damn TCM
well, the transmission control module messed up. I just put a new one in it.
Right.
I'm just testing it out, and it's still messed up.
Okay, but you can't you driving it on the side. It can't be on the road.
You just have to drive. We literally just
but it can't be on the road. You got insurance on it?
Oh no, it's not mine.
Huh?
It's not mine. It's a guy I'm working for.
Okay. You got a license? You drive it?
I do. Yeah.
You got you drive it. Okay,
yeah.
but it can't be on the road.
Okay, well you can prove it.
Huh?
Yeah, we pull it back or whatever.
We tow it.
Yeah, we try to get see.
No, you're not going to tow it. I'm gonna tow it. No. Who's beer?
That's
You can't do that, man.
Yeah, yes I can. I can take it to jail. What are you talking about? I can't do it.
That ain't my stuff. That's my breath all day long.
What are you talking? What do you?
The vehicle is 5449.
What do you mean I can't do it? Take your hands out your pocket. Take your hands out your pocket. Okay? Come here. I'm telling you, put your hands on the car. Put your hands on. You know what?
Get your phone out. And
Hey, you. I'm record.
You got the phone, man.
Hey, put your hands on the car. I'm telling you, put your hands on the car.
Okay, I ain't got nothing. Chill.
Okay.
Just chill.
I'm just saying,
Just chill. All I'm doing is working on my car.
Okay,
man.
put your hands on the hood of the car. I'm just making sure. I'm just saying.
Be advised that there is a release status.
Oh,
Yeah, can we just
No. Stand right there. You
had to be. It ain't even mine.
No, you want to talk shit, though.
No, I don't want to talk shit.
Yes, you do.
I'm bound down. It's all you. It's all you. That's all you. That's all you. We just working on it, man.
Hey, Calhoun.
I mean, that's all.
Hold it. Stand over here.
That's all.
Hey, come here. Stand right there. Stand right there. Stand right over there. Who's trying to give somebody a hard time?
Huh?
I'm trying to give somebody a hard time. No, I'm not trying to give nobody a hard time. You can't have a legal vehicle on the roadway. Yeah, you can't.
You can see where we placed part on it. It's right there.
Whose car is it?
Not ours.
Whose car is it? No, you welcome. You get the video. You get the video. Everything you said. Okay, you welcome to the video I got. It's all video. I mean, let's see if the tag comes back. Hey, step around here. Step around here. I'm telling you, step around here and keep your hands out your pocket. Okay.
I ain't got nothing on.
No, I don't. No.
I don't consent to search procedure.
What? I'm not gonna say what. Okay, I'm gonna stand right here. I'll stand right here. I got another deputy to be in like 15 minutes, okay?
I'm not resisting.
I know you're not. Because
I'm complying.
Okay, all right. What's your name? You not gonna give it to me?
Am I being detained?
Yes, okay, you wanna be, I'll tow the car and I'll take you to jail for something. I'll find something to take you to. What's your name?
Well, why am I going to jail?
I'll find something.
I haven't did anything.
You got a illegal car here. Yes, you do.
I wasn't driving.
Huh?
So it's on.
Okay,
on the road.
Well, wait till he get here. You going to jail? Okay, I'll take you to jail. I'm gonna take you to jail. Okay, you wanna play hardball? Tonight you
I haven't did anything.
Okay.
I haven't did anything. So you're just making up something.
You can call it what you want to. You're going to jail as soon as he gets here. Cause you want to run that yapper.
During the conversation, Deputy Baker described the vehicle as unlawful because it lacked a license plate. One of the men objected and maintained that he had not committed any wrongdoing. The deputy then indicated that he would find a reason to take the man to jail because the man continued talking back. Florida Statute 316.605 does require vehicles to display a license plate when they are driven, stopped, or parked on a roadway. However, the relevant provision treats the failure to display the required plate as a non-criminal traffic infraction. It is classified as a non-moving violation rather than a criminal offense. That distinction is important because the missing plate, by itself, did not provide a criminal basis for placing the man under arrest. There was also a constitutional issue involving the man's speech. The First Amendment protects a significant amount of criticism and verbal disagreement directed toward police officers. In City of Houston v. Hill, decided in 1987, the Supreme Court emphasized that people generally have the right to verbally challenge police conduct without automatically exposing themselves to arrest. If Deputy Baker had followed through on his threat specifically because the man continued criticizing or questioning him, a court could potentially view the arrest as retaliatory. The Supreme Court addressed retaliatory arrest claims in Nieves v. Bartlett in 2019. The court explained that government officials cannot punish someone for exercising protected First Amendment rights. Generally, a person claiming retaliatory arrest must establish that officers lacked probable cause for the arrest, subject to a limited exception involving offenses that officers technically have grounds to enforce but ordinarily do not arrest people for. The missing license plate appears relevant here because it was a minor, non-criminal traffic violation normally handled through a citation rather than a custodial arrest. A court could therefore determine that an arrest motivated by the man's protected speech was unconstitutional retaliation.
Hey, you got your phone with you?
Hey, no, don't. Look, I'm gonna put you in my car. You want to sit in my car? You want to sit in my car? So be quiet. I'm telling you to be quiet. I'm telling you to be quiet.
Is that lawful order?
Huh? Yes, that's lawful order.
I haven't did anything. I'm doing nothing nefarious.
Now let's see. You want to run that yapper now? Okay, you can run that yapper.
I mean, just because there's another deputy here, that
okay, that's okay.
I mean, I haven't did anything.
No. I asked you what your name was. You not gonna give me your name?
I haven't did anything.
Okay, all right.
You suspect me of crime?
Yes, I do.
Well, what?
I do.
What?
Stand right there. Keep it. Put your hands so I can see them. Okay.
You have my hands right here.
Okay. Put your hands on. Okay.
What do you suspect me of?
Hey, will you watch it? You know his name.
What crime do you suspect me of committing?
Oh.
I haven't did anything.
Okay. You won't give us your name? Okay, that's good.
I haven't did anything.
Okay. You just stand right there then. Okay.
So, body camera on? Right.
I'm towing the car. So I'm towing the car. Got a tow truck on the way.
For what reason?
It's parked on the right of way.
And guess what? There's no tag on it. There's no tag on it.
Brother,
We was in the process.
we were working on
Make no difference. It can't be on the road. It can't be on the roadway.
So we had to go get the battery. Get somebody to jump us the fuck off. That's it.
We was in the process of towing it.
They got them beer and that damn thing's not even ours. You can test both our breaths. Yeah.
Okay, I'm just saying.
At another point, one of the men addressed a beer can that Deputy Baker had discovered inside the vehicle. He said the alcohol did not belong to them and even offered to take a breath test. Florida law also regulates open containers of alcohol in motor vehicles. Under Section 316.1936, the statute covers circumstances involving an open alcoholic beverage or alcohol consumption while operating a vehicle, riding as a passenger in an operating vehicle, or being seated in or on a motor vehicle that is stopped or parked on a roadway. The circumstances shown in this encounter are different. The vehicle was disabled rather than being driven. That removes the first two situations described by the statute. The footage also indicates that the men remained outside the vehicle while working on it rather than sitting inside or on it. Because the law's open container restriction depends on the vehicle being operated or the person possessing the alcohol being seated in or on a stopped vehicle, the beer can found inside this disabled vehicle does not appear, by itself, to establish an open container violation by these men. A court would therefore likely find that the beer inside the disabled vehicle did not provide sufficient grounds for an open container offense under the circumstances shown.
Okay, I'm just saying, I get a tow truck. I'll tow it.
Oh, here it is. Here's the tag. Ain't that something?
Hey, it's expired.
That's at 12/25. But that's the end of the month. That's the don't go to the end of the month.
Hey, it's expired. That ain't the tag for the. That's not the tag for the car.
Why it ain't?
I just ran it. That ain't the tag. Since you know
What they say?
that ain't the tag. That ain't the tag for it. That's not the tag for it. I'm not arguing with you. I'm towing it. I'm towing it. Yes, sir. The driver. The one was driving. Where's it? The one that was driving it. Let's see. Yes, sir. You was driving it. What's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
Robert.
What's first name?
Robert.
Okay. Robert.
Well, I'm gonna need badge number.
Okay, you get my badge number. Yeah, I'm on the black guy at the sheriff department. That'd be easy to get. Okay. All right. Go ahead. Robert what?
Gillette.
Okay, now I don't care about your normal name. You can get my name. Everybody can. Okay, good then. All right then. Well, that don't faze me none. What's your middle name?
Middle name? What you name? It's Gillette. Last name's Gillette.
Spell it.
Goulet. Goulet.
Gloulet.
Gou. Let.
Let. What's your middle name?
A W.
For what?
Lonnie.
Oh, okay. That's what I don't know your middle name.
I understand that. You don't need all that to look it up.
Yes, I do. I'm asking your name. You the driver? I mean, what's your date of birth?
Nobody was driving. It was
Look here. Am I talking to? Am I talking to you?
It was.
Am I? Step up here. I'm not. Can I step up here? Step up here and talk to me. I don't
have to see separated from people. Just
okay.
a number.
De-escalate.
No. Guess what? The first name. I'm not talking to you.
De-escalate. Calm down.
Guess what? Can you? You don't know what that means. You don't know what that means. You don't know that. You don't.
I do.
No, you don't.
Believe it.
No. What's your date of birth? That's okay. That's it.
Thank you, sir.
All right. That's it.
Are we still being detained?
No. Y'all can go. I'm towing the car. Y'all can go. Bye. Y'all can go.
Well, hook the strap up.
Hook the strap up to what? No, not the car. The car being towed.
Let me get your badge over there. Lonnie?
What?
Let me get your badge number, partner.
Oh, well, we don't have a badge number.
You don't got badge number.
Look at my look at that. Do you see? That's my badge. You see a number on that?
Y'all got to have some kind of
no, we don't. Come on. You know my name. You know my name. I ain't trying to put. We don't. Ain't no. You know my name. That's all you need. That's all. We don't have no badge number. We. Hey, guys. Hey, you ain't got to talk to him. It's not his car.
I can talk to anybody.
No, you can't. Hey, tow it. No, it ain't. No, he's towing the car. Look here. No, we're not. You need to leave. You need to leave. You need to leave. No.
I'm working on.
No, it's not yours. He's towing it. His car.
He's towing it to my house.
No, he's not.
Yes, he is.
No, he's not. No, he's not. Hey, sir. Hey, it's going to impound. I call Terry. Hey, sir, it's going to impound. It's going to y'all. Okay. No.
The men wanted the disabled vehicle taken to one of their homes so they could continue working on it there. Deputy Baker, however, instructed the tow operator to take the vehicle to an impound facility instead. Police authority to remove vehicles from public roads can fall under the community caretaking function. The Supreme Court recognized this concept in South Dakota versus Opperman, a 1976 case involving the removal and impoundment of vehicles. Generally, that authority can apply when a vehicle's position or condition creates a safety concern or interferes with the normal movement of traffic. Here, the vehicle was disabled and partially blocking the roadway. Since it also lacked a valid plate, the men could not simply drive it away themselves. Those circumstances could provide a legitimate reason for law enforcement to ensure that the vehicle was removed from the road. So, a court could conclude that Deputy Baker had legal authority to have the vehicle removed without violating the Fourth Amendment. But having that authority does not necessarily mean an officer must choose impoundment. The men had already arranged for their own tow to a private location. That solution would have removed the disabled vehicle from the roadway and addressed the safety concern without placing it in police custody. In other words, even if Deputy Baker had the legal power to order the vehicle removed, that does not mean he was required to send it to an impound lot. He could have allowed the privately arranged tow to accomplish the same underlying purpose.
He's something else, Eddie. He told he's going. It's not going to. I told it's going to the 2 yard.
You didn't see the busted meth pipe laying out there?
He said it was where? What they do?
But laying out there in the wood line, busted.
Okay, but we can't. I mean, that's.
I know you can't. You can't charge with that.
Right, but.
You got the keys to it?
Huh?
No, they took the keys to it.
Hey, let them keep charging for that. You can charge for all that. Hey.
I can put a lock on it.
Huh?
Yeah.
So I wanted to drag it.
Do whatever you got to do. Charge him. Guess what? I mean, it's all because he won't
drag it up there. That's fine. Man.
Okay.
Drag it.
Okay. I mean, whatever you got to do and charge him for it. I mean, it's not their car. They can't come get it. This lady's got to come get it. When I give you the name, she got to come get it. She's out of Orange.
They got in their tag or nothing. No.
You know, it's out of Orange Beach. It's out of Orange Beach.
Oh,
so guess what? Y'all will probably end up with it. You know what I'm talking about? So that's what he's worried about. That's why he's mad. He went toward this place and I told him no. Come on.
I understand like I told him. Y'all got control of the situation.
Yeah, so it's your car. It's you towing it.
Let me get the VIN and all that.
Okay.
Should have pulled him over and gave him tickets for riding in bed.
I mean, they like, bro. They cussing me and all that stuff. I mean,
Swear line. Shit, you get me wrapped up in.
Turn you off. Cameras included.
As the incident was wrapping up, Deputy Baker instructed the other deputy present to shut off the cameras. The vehicle was ultimately taken to the impound lot despite the men's objections. The men themselves were not arrested, and they were eventually informed that they were free to leave. Looking at the encounter as a whole, Deputy Baker's conduct raises several concerns. The most serious issue was the threat to arrest one of the men in connection with his continued speech. The man repeatedly maintained that he had done nothing wrong, and the deputy connected the possibility of jail directly to the man's continued talking. Criticism, questions, and verbal challenges directed at police officers can fall within First Amendment protection. Threatening someone with arrest simply to punish that protected expression can therefore create significant constitutional problems, particularly when the underlying issue is only a minor traffic infraction that ordinarily would not lead to a custodial arrest. The impound decision also deserves scrutiny. Even assuming Deputy Baker had authority to remove the disabled vehicle, the justification for that authority was primarily related to clearing the roadway and addressing a safety concern. Since the men had already arranged their own tow, the same practical objective could have been achieved without placing the vehicle in police custody. That makes the decision to impound the vehicle appear difficult to justify as necessary when a less intrusive option was already available. The manner in which the encounter was handled was another concern. Deputy Baker spoke quickly and with an agitated tone, making some of his instructions difficult to understand. At the conclusion, he also directed the other deputy to stop recording at a point when maintaining a complete record of the interaction would have been particularly useful. The incident illustrates an important difference between having legal authority and exercising that authority appropriately. A routine roadside problem can become much more complicated when an officer responds with threats and agitation instead of patience and restraint. As for the three men, they deserve an A-. They declined to give consent to a search and continued questioning Deputy Baker about what crime they were supposedly suspected of committing. They remained physically compliant while verbally challenging the deputy's decisions. When the possibility of a search arose, refusing consent was a legitimate exercise of their Fourth Amendment rights. Their questions about the alleged offense and their objections to the threat of jail also fall within the type of verbal expression protected by the First Amendment, provided that such speech does not interfere with lawful police duties or rise to the level of obstruction. The men did, however, continue arguing and using profanity during the encounter. Although that speech remained constitutionally protected, it did little to improve the situation and contributed to the tension between the parties. A more controlled approach from the men could have reduced the conflict while preserving exactly the same constitutional rights. Nevertheless, based on the conduct shown, their actions did not appear to cross into unlawful behavior. Their refusal to consent to a search and their verbal criticism of the deputy remained within the protections afforded by the Constitution. Thanks for watching. If there's a particular police encounter or legal issue you'd like us to examine, share it in the comments. And if you want more analysis of the legal questions surrounding body camera encounters, check out Audit the Court for additional coverage.